AI's hunger for electricity is outpacing what utilities can timely deliver, threatening to overwhelm the grid and potentially exceed reliability standards. Data center developers are increasingly turning toward regions like the Permian Basin in Texas, where associated gas, produced along with crude oil, can power generation co-located with data centers through behind-the-meter delivery of electricity. Associated gas can be managed in a variety of ways, including by being captured, separated and processed into natural gas and natural gas liquids, and then transported away by pipeline, flared or burned off at the well site, vented or released directly to the atmosphere. Flaring and venting are rarely used, as they are subject to extensive regulatory oversight. Selling natural gas processed from associated gas as a fuel supply source to power generation co-located at data centers creates new revenue streams for producers in areas with constrained pipeline capacity. Such constraints cause market prices at nearby sales points to undervalue such residue gas relative to other market hubs. Oil and gas producers are actively seeking partnerships with data center operators to co-locate facilities, enabling the delivery of behind-the-meter power from natural gas-fired generation. Power generation developers, or data center developers developing their own generation, need to negotiate a long-term natural gas purchase agreement with the associated gas producer, as well as transportation agreements with pipeline companies to move the gas to the generators. The power generation developer will then need to negotiate a long-term power purchase agreement with the user of the power, whether that be a data center developer or, if the data center is building the generation, the customer leasing the data center. To successfully draft and then implement both a natural gas purchase agreement and power purchase agreement in this space, both parties need to understand multi-year commitment requirements, performance guarantee structures, necessary bankruptcy protections such as credit support and step-in rights, infrastructure needs to support the gas purchase, and construction timelines to build that infrastructure if it does not exist. Care must be taken in drafting the power purchase agreement and gas purchase agreement. Both agreements may be impacted by both state and federal regulations.